In this video, I will show you how you can enable your mobile data on your Galaxy A15 if you are basically roaming. That means if you have arrived at a different country and you're using a SIM card from your home country and your data isn't working basically. So this actually is the case with me. I'm using a SIM card currently from another country, and as you see, I got that service going. And when I scroll here, my mobile data is obviously enabled here, but I can't access the data. So the way we enabled it is by going to settings and clicking connections basically. Then click mobile networks and make sure you have this data roaming enabled basically. And we can also select the network where we want it to basically use as well. And as you see, the network basically appears here as well. Then also, if we click on the network operators, we can toggle this to basically select a network which we actually want to use in this country. Basically, click OK, and it will start searching for networks. So we can choose in which network we want to run and simply click on it. And it will take some time to register. Sometimes on some networks you can't even connect, so try pretty much all those networks that show up there to do that. So this is how you do it on these Galaxy phones. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button.